Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming resolution and frame rate so edits match the original. This prevents rescaling artifacts. Once done, duplicate the source file to preserve the original. Make sure to work on the copy. Open a video editor that supports layers, cropping, and opacity. This is essential because you will either crop, mask, or replace the watermark area. Begin by importing the duplicated clip to a new project and place it on the timeline so you can apply the first corrective tools. You'll now choose a removal method based on watermark placement. If it's on the edge, crop while maintaining aspect ratio to avoid distortion. This is fast and lossless for small margins. For central watermarks, use a patch, clone tool, or content-aware fill. These reconstruct nearby pixels and preserve motion when keyframed. If reconstruction looks off, place a subtle blur or overlay a clean graphic. Make sure to match color and motion so the fix stays invisible across frames. You finish by rendering a short test segment to verify that motion and texture look natural. This helps catch temporal artifacts before full export. Once satisfied, render the whole file using the original codec and resolution to preserve quality and keep the original untouched file. If you see ghosting or mismatched motion, go back and refine masks, increase feathering, or improve motion tracking. These adjustments fix edge seams and jitter. One troubleshooting tip: if fixes fail, try a different removal method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.